Hi guys, we are Isabelle and Felicien and we are here at the VdanceClub just to show you some footwork you can apply on the dance floor. So we'll explain a quick footwork. If you want more, website. We'll start with the woman's Saida and we'll do some quick change, like first woman's Saida, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Obviously it would be easy for you if you're here because it's more like intermediate advanced footwork. So on the footwork I will put on my woman's Saida, it's a pretty classical one, I will do this way. It's 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, okay? So the goal for me is to do my footwork without to disturb the leading of Isabelle. Like I mean the leading I give to Isabelle. So ladies, you should normally receive a basic classical woman's Saida while I will do my footwork. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Quick explanation for that. I will step first on front foot forward on my left, easy normal speed. 1, then step back. 2, then I will do a quick step. I will do half beats. Okay, ladies, you don't move yet. Guys, I will collect on side, transfer the weight on my left foot, free the right one, and prepare a tap step forward. When my partner will go forward on her right foot, I will go also forward with my right foot. The difference is she is doing a walk step. That means she will put her right foot forward with the weight on, and I will do a tap step. A tap step, I don't move anything except my leg, like this. 3 and 3. And then to come back face to face and to bring back Isabelle face to me, I will need to step back with my right foot while I will bring back Isabelle in front of me. And 4 and marca, okay? About the rhythm for the guys, leaders, it will be 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. Let's go together face to face. 7 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. Cool. Now we have the steps and the footwork. Press pause, practice, come back. And then we just missed a leading. The leading will be a little bit different than a woman's Saida, the basic one. On the basic one, I just have to turn my chest on 2 and hold on 3, and that's it. On this one, I will need to 1, 2 and 3, turn my chest in a continuous way, okay? The goal is to maintain the move of my partner forward while I will step on side. Take a look. 1, 2 and 3. Okay? I am moving forward, then backward, then on side, and then forward. Okay? I need to not let her feel that. That's why I do a tap step to try to not move forward. 1, 2 and 3. But I'm still stay on side. If I stay on side, my partner will move. That's why I need to make her move because of my chest. Take a look. 7 and 1, 2 and 3. Without chest modification, just chest on the right, like the woman's Saida, normal one, the basic one, she won't move. I need to bring her forward, okay? And for that, I need to turn my chest. So for my chest, I will do 1, 2 and 3. So on 2, normal rotation, orientation of my chest for the woman's Saida. And 3, I overturn my chest on my right to give energy to my partner, okay? 7 and 1, 2 and 3. And then big step backward because she's in advance compared to me, I'm late. And 4, 5, okay? To give a tip to my students, usually I said, guys, you have to do like a spring, yeah? So you will just rotate chest, boom, 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 and last moment you come back. It will be just before the fall. With VdanceClub, we go for the flexibility. So you can dance anywhere, anytime you want. So now we have the footwork, we change the end, okay? 1, 2 and 3, 4. And I will propose to my partner a Ocho. For the Ocho technique, super easy, guys. You have to rotate the chest on your right and open the frame, okay? Opening the frame, you'll put the partner side to you. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Ladies, while you do the Ocho, collect the free foot, the left one, against the other, ankle against ankle, and keep your balance. Strong core, use your partner frames as a support. And then walk together, come back, side and marca. easy. Then we have that, too easy. We increase a little bit, we give more work to the ladies on the Ocho, and we'll transform the Ocho in a ronde. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Good. Slow motion during the Ocho, and I will just go down, okay? I will lower my high. Like this, I will force Isabelle to not collect the feet together. 1, 2, boom. And then because of that, because she cannot collect like this easier, she will just have the foot backward and do a ronde. 1, 2, down, and come back, okay? Ladies, please, try to not do it by yourself, like in habits, okay? It's not because I do really bad, I do really well, the bad follower, so I will do it. But try to not do by yourself, 1, 2, okay, ronde, let's go, okay? Basically, your foot will be back to your body. 1, 2, here. And the ronde comes from the rotation of your partner. It's not your leg who goes around, okay? Good. Now we have that. Guys, for you leaders, this way, it will be tricky to do it because you will just be going out of your footwork. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. And then come back forward and marca. Still a little bit too easy. So if you want more challenge, guys, add yourself a ronde with the left foot. We show you this way, you will see it. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Good. And then I will finish my ronde coming face to my partner and going the opposite way. Good. This way. 7 and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Good. When you do the ronde, you don't have to disturb the balance of your partner, so isolate your frame on site. Be sure to not disturb her balance. If you do it, forget the ronde, practice small, okay? Or slow it down. And then from here, I will just bring my partner face to me, side and marca, okay? And normally we have 7 and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good. Just one thing to be sure. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Here, I stop with my left and then side step with my right. For the ladies, you will do a touch step forward at the end of the show, touch, and we start with the left, okay? So this is different, guys. You have to lead to your partner at the ronde, and then you will do a walk step and a side step. She will do a touch step and a side step. One more time, take a look with this information. 1, 2, and 3, 4, boom. I will start with the other foot. She will start with the same foot. And marca. Now, break down all this information, practice, record it, and tag us, please. See you guys. Leave us in the comments how it went. Here in the description, you can find the link to the platform and start to dance anytime, anywhere.
Join the community now. See you there.
Let's go!